which is, I guess, what you're entitled to do when you're minister, but it's also a way to, at least in the meantime, squash the story. So Ben Packham writes, surveillance flights to detect illegal boat arrivals off Australia's northwest coast have slumped by 22% in 2 years amid a surge in people smuggling voyages. For Operation Sovereign Borders fell a further 2% last financial year after a 20% drop in 22-23, while maritime surveillance hours were down 7% after a 12% fall in the previous year. And he was filling the gaps with Australian Defence Force assets, including
Hey,
submarine
Mercedes.
hunting P.
How may I help you?
Navigate to Beenleigh.
I am starting route guidance to Brisbane, Beenleigh. Please follow the road for 2 kilometres.
Borders' latest update. Home Affairs spokesman James Patterson said the first item on Burke's to-do list should be fixing the, quote, catastrophic declines in aerial surveillance and maritime patrol days on the Albanese government's watch, unquote. And he went on to say it's no wonder we've had 19 boats since the election, and at least 3 of which have reached the Australian mainland or territories. He said Tony Burke knows exactly what that's like from when he was last in the job in the disastrous Rudd-Gillard-Rudd era.
Guidance is starting. Please follow the road for 13 kilometres.
And I mean, you don't want it, it's laughable. Anyway, Sherry Markson would... arrested on suspicion of murder and attempted murder. This attack happened in Southport, a seaside town near Liverpool. The motive was not clear, but police said detectives were not treating the attack as terror-related. 6 of them critical. Gosh. 2 wounded adults who tried to protect them were also in a critical condition, police said. Police Chief Constable Serena Kennedy said, "We believe the adults who were injured were bravely trying to protect the children who were being..." attacked. Now, this was a Taylor Swift themed workshop, they say, held on the first week of the school holidays for children aged between 6 and 11. And an ad for the 2-hour session promised yoga, dance and bracelet making.